Nice! That was sweet. That was sweet.
This is your boy Rocco. I'm coming for you guys to help. So really please, what I want you to do is hit that subscribe button, right?
Right. Why?
So we can hit 1 million subscribers.
We are so close. You guys, we want to hit 1 million by the end of the month, right? Yes. I'm sorry, am I interrupting?
No.
905,000 today. We want to hit 1 million by the end of the month, right?
Yes.
We are begging for you guys to help. Share our vlog with everybody. Tell them all about our channel. Post it everywhere you can. Stop right now and hit the subscribe button, right?
It's a fly. Stop. Wait a minute. Hit that subscribe button. Let's
Please.
get 1 million. Please.
We're gonna do lots of cool stuff. Once we hit 1 million, the sky's the limit. We're gonna get crazy. We're gonna celebrate for like
Let's
weeks.
get ridiculous. Hit that subscribe button.
All right, so anyway, enjoy the Halloween snacks and dirt bike riding, and we'll see you on the road to 1 million.
In one, take one, and action. Hey everyone! So, yes, it's Tuesday, so we're gonna have some fun at the dirt track, but first I'm gonna make some DIY snacks. So, let's get on. My first assistant is Holly. And then the camera girl is Buka. It's Bat Oreos. Oreo Bat.
Bat snacks.
Bat snacks.
Bloody fingers.
Oh, we're making bloody fingers. Oh, wait, hold on. Here's the magic blood.
Emergency, emergency, emergency.
So, all you need
We are
for
at
this.
a low status on ketchup.
So what you need for this one is a hot dog bun, hot dog wieners, and blood, and then just a normal knife. Alright, so you're just gonna get your hot dog, alright?
Oh, really? A fly?
Halloween, get the fly.
Oh.
Did you just lock it?
Yeah. Alright, now we can get on.
Is there a
It flew
fly?
in the cabinet, so I shut it. That works.
Good job, Halloween.
Thank you. Ooh, did I just let it out?
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did! Oh my gosh!
So you just want to get one wiener, and then you want to get a knife, cut that off. Now you want to make your nail.
Need help?
Halloween, help me.
Well, I have to make up for your mistake. This is a man's hand. This is a man finger. All right, so you set that off to the side.
Halloween. While she's doing that, I'm just gonna get a bun out. Remember this one time I was making myself a hot dog, and when I got the bun out, it had a hole. So when I put the ketchup in, it kept leaking. I made a big mess.
You making a mess. I'm surprised.
All right, so now that you have your hot dog cooked,
So now you need to make your two.
yeah. Who's it?
So parents can help with this if you have a young kid or whatever. You kind of want to bend it a little, open up the cuts,
And then just get your bun,
open it up without, and then you place your nail back on, remember? All right, so there's your finger. Now you can decide how much blood you want.
Here's your.
You gotta make your dessert first.
So for this one, you do not need a knife. All you need is Oreos and some sprinkles. All you need is a double stuffed Oreos. No thin. All right, you're just gonna put one in your mouth. All right. You can't hear me.
I can't hear you over the Oreo.
You twist and pull. That's perfect. All right, you want to set that down. Take off all the extras. so good. Try to break it in half. So, twist and pull.
You're pretty good at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Bam. So, the other wing, bam. Alright, now you got one. And then the bat has two. Ah!
Pat it down. I still think triple stuffed might be better.
Wait, there's a triple stuff?
Isn't there a triple stuffed Oreo?
I don't think so.
You want to bet $5 on it? No. Comment below if there's a triple stuffed Oreo. Yes, there is.
If you want to, you can get some cream from another Oreo.
Yeah, let's
and
put a little
on.
cream in there.
There you have your own bat.
Oreo bat. There would be a great snack for kids this week for Halloween, right?
Are we making
A bloody finger.
So we got a mean bat and we got the nice Rocco bat. Let's get the bloody finger. Oh, cold.
We spent a lot of time on the bats.
It's good. It's really good.
All right, so everybody, you can go try those DIY Halloween snacks. All right, so it's time. We're gonna let him finish his lunch, load up, head to the track, and do some riding.
This is my Snapchat that I just took.
Follow Rocco on Snapchat, RoccoPiazza1.
Nice! That was sweet. That was sweet.
See, you can't fall and then not try again. You gotta try again. You know that. Good job. Feel good? No, thank you. Thank you so much.
drop the GoPro into a drain? That one.
Alright, this is so gross. Ew. There's the GoPro. It's so gross in here.